pleasure to appreciate and reward the hard work as well as performance of the students who have made us all proud. The influence of good teacher can never be erased. I repeat, the influence of good teacher can never be erased. I would also give credit to the school teachers along with the participant who guided the student and made this Rang De Basanti a big success. Virtual Rang De Basanti a very big success. Thank you all the school who participated and teachers and of course the parents who encouraged their children, who encouraged their kids. It was all because of teamwork, efforts made by everybody, and today we are in such a big success. Thank you everyone. We are delighted to see the hard work of all the participants. They have done wonders, a great work from everybody. It was indeed difficult for our judges to judge because the competition was very tough and it was very difficult for the judges to judge as everybody, all the performance, all the participant has done a wonderful job. Our fingers are crossed as we await for the result. Dhag, 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 dhag goes our heartbeats, isn't it? Everybody, all the participants, all the students, teachers, and school authorities who are with us now. We are waiting for the result. So we will not waste your time. We will like to acknowledge the talent of the students with the award distribution ceremony will start. I will announce the winners of the higher classes onwards. I repeat, I will be announcing the names of the winners from the higher classes onwards. Okay, so let's start. Finger crossed and let's start. Rang De Basanti Award Ceremony. Congratulations to the winner of ramp competition. Innovating way to deal with rhyme. Innovating way to deal with rhymes. The first position goes to Anju. She is from Indian Model School, Sholapur. The second position is secured by Tanishka, St. Joseph English Medium School. And the third position to School. Congratulations, everybody. You all did a great job.
Ma'am, my name is Anuj Madhu, not Anju Madhu.
Anju?
My name is
Okay,
Anuj.
I'm sorry. It is Anuj. Yeah. The first position goes to Anuj of Indian Model School. The second goes to Tanishka, Takshila, the St. Joseph English Medium School. And third position goes to Chinmay, Takshila School. Well done all. Well done, students.
Thank you.
Congratulations to the winners of debate competition. Students debate on the issues that influence our everyday life. And the first position goes to Diya, Takshila School, Aryan, VK Patil School, Samruddhi, Takshila School. Well done all. Well done, dear students. Hard work pays off and you all have proved it. Very well done, dear students. Announcing the name of Geography competition. Here I start. Damini of Takshila School, first position. Second position, Aryan of TKEA, Varana Nagar School. And third position, Ranjit, KV2 MIRC School. Congratulations, dear students. Well done all.
Repeat once again, ma'am.
Well done, dear students. The hard work you have done. You all have come out with the flying colors. Rang De Basanti Award Ceremony. Congratulations to the winners of Picture Perception. Picture Perception is a new concept that helps the senior students to enhance their creative skill through imagination. So well done. The first position goes to Shreya of DVPFS English Medium School. Second position goes to Sanitha, Takshila School. And the third position goes to Anchal, Takshila School. Well done all. The fruit of your labor is sweet, and I must say you all deserve it. I want and 10th standard. They have done a great job. Now we will be announcing the result of class 7 and 8. Run the Vasanti Award Ceremony. Congratulations to all the winners of stand-up comedy and comedians with us today. And they have really made us laugh like anything. It was like very nice. To make somebody laugh with your sense of humor, and people have done it.
Excuse me.
Everybody, I request you all to mute yourselves. Then we can begin with class 7th and 8th. Here we start. The first position, the first comedian, I must say, is Dhairya from Takshila School. Dhairya from Takshila School, first comedian. The second
Thank you, ma'am.
The second is Tanvi from Poddar International School. And third is Atharva from Takshila School. Well done, dear students. Well done, my comedians. I love to see comedy show. All of us. It's really difficult to make somebody laugh, and you people have fun.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Well done, everybody. The comedians with us. Congratulations to the winners of instrumental singing. The musicians with us. We have young musicians with us. Okay. So first position goes to Om of Takshila School. Congrats, bacha. The second goes to Sonia of DVPFS English Medium School. Congratulations, bacha. Third position goes to Avdoot of Takshila School. Well done, students. Well done. To hear your music. Art of fruit carving. Now carving competition, and I must say art of carving fruit, cutting very trickily the fruits, making it into different shapes, make it more attractive and more appetizing. Okay, so all these fruit carvers are here with us, and the first position goes to Kshitij of Takshila School. Well done, Kshitij. Second goes to Sachi of Poddar International School. And third position goes to Shravani of DVPFS English Medium School. Great work, great fruit carver with us. Well done all. I request everybody to use themselves. 7 o'clock of the time. I request everybody to mute themselves and off their video so that we can run this show nicely. We all can enjoy the award ceremony of Rang De Basanti. Well done, all the students, all the participants, I must say, their parents, teachers, everybody. It's a combined work done by all.
Act of life news celebration.
Rang De Basanti Award Ceremony. Congratulations to the winners of Act of Live News Reporter. The news reporter update us with the current happening. We come to know of the worldwide news from the reporters. They are very important part of this pandemic. So the first reporter of today, the first position of news reporter for today is Sharwai. DVPFS English Medium Sparshita, DVDPFS English Medium School, and Ashi of Takshila School. Well done, bachas. Well done, my dear students. Upcoming reporters be with us. Everybody is switching on the. We are so much current happening.
Ma'am,
Worldwide,
can you
and
repeat?
thank you for updating us. It was nice. Reshma Chinde, ma'am, please, I request you to off your video. Can you please, ma'am? Now I will be announcing the result of class 5 and 6. Now we will be announcing the result of class 5 and 6. We'll start with Add Match Show. Hold your breath. Let us start with Add Match Show, and the first position goes to, and it's a way of advertising. Add Match Show is a way of advertising the product, advertising the commodities, and the first position goes to Aditya of Takshila School. Second position goes to Om of DVVPFS English Medium School. And the third position goes to Atharva of KV number 2 MIRC. Great work. Great advertisers with us and acting, making composition. It was great to see you all. Wonderfully done. Winners of salad decoration competition. They have done a wonderful job. They have made so many beautiful things using the vegetables and fruits. Art of decorating the salad, cutting, carving, and decorating, presenting. So the first prize goes to... We must eat salad daily. Before I announce the prize, I will tell all the students, teachers, everybody to include lots of salad in your diet. It will help you to increase your immunity system, which is very essential nowadays. And now the winner, I'm going to announce the name of the winner, and the first prize goes to Dhriti of Takshila School. Well done, bacha. The second
Thank you, ma'am.
position goes to Daksh of Takshila School. Great, bacha. Well done. Third position goes to Vaibhavi of DVPFS English Medium School. Well done.
Thank you, ma'am.
It was great. Carving fruits and decorating it with your theme. The fruit of your table is sweet, and I must say you all love it. The practice you all did, it has come out with the flying colors today. Well done all. Puppetry. Okay, string puppets. String puppet is a part of Indian art. It is a part of Indian art and it is loved by everyone, especially the kids. And here are the winners of puppetry string puppet show. The first prize goes to Amulya Singh, Takshila School. Congratulations, dear. The second position goes to Kashish of Takshila School. Well done, bacha. The third position goes to Veer of DVPFS English School. Congratulations, everybody. Play with your puppets today. Show it to your family. Make a story with it. The best out of ways to reuse the thing and turn them into decorative items, to decorate your house, your surroundings, or making something worthful that we can use it to be eco-friendly. So the best out of waste result is with me, and I will announce now the first position goes to Niyati of DVPFS English Medium School. The position goes to Tanishka of Takshila School. And third position goes to Jayeshwari of KV number 2 MIRC School. Well done all, using the best out of ways, being eco-friendly, reducing the
Thank you, ma'am.
pollution. That's very nice, all of you. Great work done by all. Well done, bachas. Now we will be announcing the winners of class 3 and 4. And here we begin with our first competition, that we all love to, whenever we have time, we should. That is dance competition. Dance is to express and not to impress. Never miss a chance to dance, okay? Dance makes us happy, fully happy. And here are the upcoming dancers with us. The first position goes to Nina of DVPFS English Medium School. Second is of Avantika, again DVPFS English Medium School. Third position, Aryan, Takshila School. Congratulations, dancers. We all love to see your show. Dance is always that makes our heart, we feel so happy when we dance. It is a way of meditation. Well done, all dear students. Well done, bacha. Congratulations. Lots of practice is required for dancing. Now I will be announcing the names of the winner of shoe decoration and painting. To add fun, we have added a new exciting this contest. To add fun, okay, repeating the same contest. It is something very different, a newly introduced show. The shoe decoration and competition to enhance your creative skill. And the first position goes to Jia, Takshila School. Well done, Jia. Again, goes to Nandini of DVPFS English Medium School. Well done, beta. The third position goes to Ananya of Omkar International School. Well done, all the students. You people have beautifully decorated and painted your shoes. Well done, bacha. Your creativity is amazing. Mono act. Mono act means one person acting and reacting through. There was another person there. We think that there is another person, but one person is only enacting, acting, reacting, doing everything. So here is the result of mono act competition. The first position goes to Chehak of Takshila School. Second position goes to Katyaini of DVPFS English Medium School. Third position, we have two third position. Haridaya of Abhinav Vidyalaya English Medium School, Pune, and Mukta of Takshila School. We have two third position for mono act. I repeat, Haridaya of Abhinav Vidyalaya, Haridaya of Abhinav Vidyalaya English Medium School, Pune, and Mukta of Takshila School. Congratulations, everybody. Congratulations, dear students. Flower bouquet decoration competition. Here it comes. We all love flowers, right? We all love the fragrance, the beautiful colors the nature has gifted us with. So assembling it and making a beautiful bouquet. And here is the winner of flower bouquet competition. The first prize goes to Vaidahi of Takshila School. Congratulations, bacha. Varad of Takshila School. Palak, third position goes to Palak of DVPFS English Medium School. I repeat, first position to Vaidahi, Takshila School. Second position, Varad of Takshila School again. And third position, Palak of DVPFS English Medium School. Well done, everybody, making a beautiful bouquet of flowers.
Thank you, ma'am.
Great work. We all love flowers. A way of giving thanks, a way of expressing love. Make somebody smile with the colorful flowers. That's very nice, everybody. Please keep yourself muted, everyone. Do not unmute yourself. I request all to off their video and keep themselves muted. Now we'll be announcing the result of class 1 and 2. Now we'll be announcing the result of class 1 and 2. We will start. The first competition is fancy dress competition. Class 1 and 2, the first competition is fancy dress competition. Fancy dress to amuse the little wonders who love to dress. Our little children, they always love to dress. When we were kids, we have also taken part in fancy dress competition. Almost everybody has a sweet memory of their fancy dress competition and a photograph of their fancy dress competition. Even the adults, everyone, we all have taken part in fancy dress competition, and it is a beautiful way to amuse the little wonders who love to dress. They look so cute. I just love when they are dressing in different kinds of flowers, fruits. So here is the result of fancy dress competition, and the first position goes to Raghav of Takshila School, Arash of DVPFS School, Aradhya
Thank you,
of
ma'am.
Takshila School. Congratulations, dear students. You all have done beautifully this fancy dress competition. I love to see you all dressing in different kinds of costume, acting, telling your dialogues. Wonderfully done. Congratulations, bachas. Well done. Lots of efforts done by mother for fancy dress competition. So parent support is must for making all that costume. It takes and lots of time, creativity.
Thank you, ma'am.
So the congratulations of fancy dress competition is to parent as well.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
मॅम ने काही नाव की ओके पहिला
Making, please mute yourself, everybody. Do not unmute yourself so that we won't have any disturbance in the program. No connectivity issue will be there. Making creative stick puppet. Okay, making a stick puppet. Everybody loves to make puppet and play with it. All the kids, they love puppets and play with it. And the first position goes to Vivan of Takshila School, Daksh of St. Joseph English Medium School, Navya of DVPFS English Medium School. Well done, bachas. Great work. Beautifully made string puppet. You all can play with it all the day now. Enjoy your puppets. Well done, everybody. Now I will be announcing the name of clay modeling.
फोन आला होता ना आम्ही
Please mute yourself. Nutan Deshmukh ma'am. I request you to please mute yourself.
माझ्या हॅबिट लावून घेतली ते असे करणारच पण मी
Nutan ma'am, I request you to please mute yourself. Clay modeling is a fun art activity. So here is the first position goes to Jia of DVPFS English Medium School. Congratulations, bacha.
Thank you, ma'am.
Samruddhi of Urja Gurukul. Congratulations, beta. Samruddhi of Urja Gurukul. We have two third position. There are two winners for third position. Akshara of Urja Gurukul again. Congratulations, Akshara. And Krishna of Takshila School. Well done, beta. Congratulations to all the winners of clay modeling. Clay molding. Well done, everybody. Using colorful clay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Aarti ma'am, I request you to mute yourself.
Excuse
And
me, ma'am.
Sheetal ma'am, I request you to please mute yourself. At the
Ma'am.
end of the show, we'll give time to everyone to talk.
Okay, ma'am.
Sheetal ma'am, please mute yourself, everybody. Thank you, everyone. Okay, now show and tell. It's a very, very beautiful kind of activity, competition, taking your favorite thing and talking about that, your favorite toy, your favorite thing, your favorite food item, anything what you like, and just to talk about it. So it's a very, very nice activity for the children. They love to talk, chatterboxes. They like to talk whole day and talking on their favorite topic and thing. It is amazing hearing them. They surprise us with their talk sometime. And so here is the winners of show and tell competition. The first prize goes to, the first position goes to Mishti of Takshila School. Shreya of Kendriya Vidyalay, MIRC.
Thank you, ma'am.
Well done, bacha.
Thank you.
Mayank
Thank you,
of Takshila School, third position. We have two winners for third position. Two students are securing the third position. Mayank of Takshila School and Shravani, Shreha of DVPFS School, English Medium School.
Ma'am, he is Shrihan.
Shrihan, okay. I'm sorry. The name was not clear to me. Shrehan, congratulations, bacha. Well done, all the show tellers. It was nice hearing
Thank
you
you,
all.
ma'am.
Oh,
Deepa ma'am.
ma'am, I have not still received the rhyme
Okay.
competition.
Deepa
Yeah.
ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
So Deepa ma'am, we will proceed with the other part. Pre-primary results will be announced afterwards.
Okay, fine. Ma'am, there
Ma'am,
is change
waiting
in
for the
fancy dress
dances
competition result as well.
competition.
I have just seen Nasreen ma'am's message. Ki the sequence was
Just wait.
there.
Deepa ma'am,
So I
just
will
wait.
just correct it. Dear
Okay,
all,
so
yeah, dear all, please, I'm sorry for announcing the fancy dress competition. There is some change in that. The sequence was written. It was not in a proper order. So please, I will again announce the position of the students. We apologize for our mistake. Fancy dress competition. The first position is same of Raghav, Takshila School. The second is of Aradhya. Okay, the second position is of Aradhya, Takshila School. I'm very sorry. And the third position is of Arush, DVPFS English Medium School. Thank you is the best prayer that anyone could say. Thank you is the best prayer that anyone could say. Now I would like to call Mrs. Sunanda Patil ma'am to conclude the function by presenting the vote of thanks.
Deepa ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Deepa ma'am. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
just sorry to interrupt in between.
Yes, ma'am.
One Google form link had been
Yes,
pasted
I'm
in
sorry.
the
Yeah.
chat box.
Okay.
And
We
just
have a
ask
link
if they
of
are
Google
willing to
form in the
speak.
chat box. I request all the teachers, not the students, only the teachers of all the school to please fill that form. We have a link of Google form in the chat box. You all can see the message sign in between. Just click over it. There is the form. I request all the teachers from various school authorities, principal, whoever are there with us now, teachers and principals of various school, to please fill that form.
Excuse me, ma'am.
And now we have come at the end of this event, Rang De Basanti 2020. Virtually, with your support, we have made it successful. Thank you all the school teachers for participating with us, making our event such a grand success. Students, their parents, everybody. I will request Sunanda ma'am to please
Deepa ma'am.
conclude the program
Hello, Deepa
by
ma'am.
presenting the vote of
Deepa ma'am.
thanks.
Hello, Deepa ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, just wait a minute. Okay, so again, I would like to request if any participant or parent or any other event in charge teacher wants to express their views on this platform, we would like to hear from you all your feelings. So I cordially invite some
Anybody
volunteer
wants
to
to express
express
their
their views.
views, please come forward. We will love to hear from you, parents, teachers,
And
students.
and we will try our best to post the results in the WhatsApp groups once we conclude with this event. So the results will be posted in all the WhatsApp groups. So all participants and event in charges can see the results from there also. And shortly the winners will get the winner certificate on their mail IDs.
Anybody wants to? You can unmute yourself and express your views, student, teachers, school authority, parent. Anybody who feel like expressing their views? Unmute
Ma'am,
yourself. Yeah.
Mishti's parent.
Yes, we have a Jyotika ready with us. Good
Thank
morning,
you so
ma'am.
much. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
And thank you so much, ma'am. In this situation also, you feel this Rang De Basanti. I have think that Rang De Basanti should be cancelled, but no, I am so proud of this Takshila school, and thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
I'm really
Jyotika ma'am.
literally-
It is our
I'm
tradition.
crying.
From the beginning, Takshila
Yeah.
School is having this Rang De Basanti event.
Yes.
And in this
Very
pandemic
well
also, we
given,
have
ma'am.
continued it with
we-
all your supports, all the support of parents, teachers, and various schools. It is an inter-school competition held by Takshila in the month of August every year.
Thank you.
So it's
Thank you,
all
ma'am. Thank you so
because
much.
of your support. Anybody else wants to?
Hi, this is
Yes,
Rashmi
Rashmi ma'am
Bhandare.
is there with us. Yes, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to congratulate the whole school staff as well as the managing committee. Very well
Thank you, ma'am.
managed event and very well organized event by Takshila School. And we as parents also were really privileged to attend this event. And it was really delighting, to see students from all the corners of the state participating. We ourselves are from Dombivli, and my kids were really happy to attend this event.
Great.
Keep doing this good job, and thanks a lot for this event.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for so nice, positive words. And it is a teamwork, definitely by whole Takshila team, with the guidance and leadership of our principal, ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Mhatre, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Anybody else wants to?
Hello, ma'am. This is
Yeah,
Sonali
we have
from Ujjain.
Sonali, ma'am, with us.
Ma'am, I would like to congratulate you all who are part of this and who took a lot of efforts to make it happen. It was a wonderful experience for all to
Thank
be
you, ma'am.
here.
Thank you so
It was
much,
a
ma'am.
wonderful work.
Yeah.
Thank you all for having us.
Thank you for these great words. It motivates us. Next year, we will be out with more innovative things. It gives us inspiration. Your feedback is important for us. Anybody else wants to? Komal ma'am, can we conclude the event by vote of thanks?
Okay, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. I request Sunanda ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Good morning and a grand Takshila Pranam. The best and beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt by heart. Thank you is one such prayer among them. I consider it a great privilege to thank all the dignitaries who have witnessed it as a memorable and successful event. First and foremost, I thank all our special guests who, despite their busy schedule, has found time to grace this occasion. I thank our principal, ma'am, Mrs. Jayashree Mhatre, for her words of encouragement. Her able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank our coordinators for their unstinted support for this function. I extend my thanks to all the teachers and the organizing team for their efforts. I also thank all the distinguished invitees present here who accepted our invitation. I thank all schools and parents for motivating their students and children to participate on this platform. I thank students who all have participated with great zeal and all good hearts who work behind the screen. Once again, I thank you all for your attention. Thank you. Now, Let us all raise in the respect of our nation for national song.
Thank you all the parents and teachers. We all can leave this meet. Thank you for making Rang De Basanti 2020 a big success.